Using ACV to deal with eczema. Prepare homemade ACV liquid. Dilute a teaspoon of ACV with 16 ounces of tepid water. Then add blackstrap molasses, honey, or walnut syrup to water to boost its taste. Combine correctly and go 3 times each day, the vast majority an hour or so just before eating. Make sure to moisture the skin after employing this approach to avoid dryness brought on by ACV. Use ACV Dental Solution. Take a few teaspoons ACV and combine it with a glass of water. Drink this solution 2 times each day, and you may then add honey to the reply to improve taste. ACV with baking soda. Take 2 teaspoons organic ACV and add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda into it. Combine well and add ½ cup water when the fizzing stops. Add honey and tea, if you want. Drink it daily to locate some respite out of your skin eczema. Use diluted ACV. Combine ACV and water in equal quantities in a tiny cup, however for sensitive skin, add 1/4 cup of vinegar to 3 glasses of water. Water and ACV rate ought to be 6:4. Apply on your affected area using a cotton pad. To include this, combine to some bottle of spray and spritz in your affected area for relief. Make use of this 2 times each day, each morning and also at night. Do it again for a few days before the eczema is cured or improved.